Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you're doing fantastic. Listen, boys and girls, huge news. But before we jump into it, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. This bull run might be the biggest ever because the next one might have lots of rules and regulations. So buckle up and just listen. Guys, huge news for Ripple and crypto in general, okay? The SEC, Gary Gensler, is gonna be potentially leaving. Okay, now why is this huge? It's because he and his little team have been on cryptos and Ripple's ass for years now. Okay, and now the fact that he's getting sued by 18 states, okay, 18 states, he might resign and everything might go to crap for him and his team. What does that mean for us? Well, Ripple might be free, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the lawsuit. This is looking good for the lawsuit. And in general, other than the lawsuit, it is looking great for the whole crypto community. Why? Because Trump is pro-crypto. People like Gary leaving, getting sued up the ass is good for people like us, okay? Because there's going to be more pro-crypto rules and regulations then there are going to be anti-crypto. Okay, so bye Gary, screw you, right? Screw you, Gary. I'm so happy you're going to be potentially gone, and even if he's not, he's going to be getting sued up the ass and everything is going to fall apart over there, guys. Look, Twitter is booming right now. They are so happy. I mean, people are celebrating this funny video. I mean, this is pretty much true. Trump comes in and he pretty much slaps his Gary guy around. You know, the states turn on him. It's fantastic for people like us. I will say, though, on a technical analysis standpoint, it was already suggesting that XRP was going to explode. But this news is definitely better for the long term. I mean, we can see XRP was in this very narrow and deep type of trend, right? It was going up, down, and it just exploded. Now, I do think there's going to be a minor correction because I see Bitcoin starting to sell off just a little bit. But don't worry, guys. This is good. This is good. Why? Well, it's normal for things to have a correction. And when it's going to correct itself, the next pump is going to be even bigger, right? So right now, over here, we can see we have lots of resistance. So like I said, I think there's gonna be a minor correction. I think maximum high 60s is where it's gonna go, because when we look over here, we see we have so much data. We have weeks and weeks worth of data all over these areas. So I think maximum we'll do is high 60s, you know, for XRP before we start the expansion. Finally, guys, I'm telling you, if the lawsuit is won, or, you know, if they just get rid of it, whatever happens, pretty much if anything good happens, XRP will boom more than expected, guys. Now, what is my price prediction for XRP? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I do think it's going to take the all-time highs at the bare minimum, okay? At the bare minimum, I think we could see $3.13 or 15 cents. And that is really good, especially for XRP. And the reason why I say that's really good is because XRP has so much market cap, has so much money in it already, that you got to remember, a multiplier of like 10 or 20x is going to be extremely hard because it would require so much money. Although I will say overall XRP, it looks like it has a bright future, especially with Gary getting his ass kicked out of, you know, paying the guy for the SEC. Guys, if you're bullish on XRP, the time is to subscribe now. The time is to double down on XRP. The next few months are going to be crucial. I mean crucial. Ladies and gentlemen, you do not want to miss any info, because I'm telling you, once things start pumping, you do not want to be that person that buys in near the middle or the top when you've had months and years to be accumulating near the bottom.